HOWO NX 371 horsepower 6 water tank truck. Built for construction, mining and water transport. Powered by a reliable 371 horsepower diesel engine. Heavy-duty 6/4 chassis for demanding road conditions. Large 18-20 m water tank capacity. Equivalent to approximately 18,000–20,000 liters. High-flow water pump with self-suction function. Large diameter outlets for fast water discharge. Reinforced suspension provides excellent load capacity. Heavy-duty chassis built for full load operation. Reinforced frame improves strength and durability. Dual rear axles provide strong load-bearing capacity. Stability on rough roads, sites and demanding conditions. Contact us for price and customized configurations.